Good morning, everyone, especially to our subject teacher. Good morning, sir. We are the Group 3 reporting number 5, and today I'm gonna discuss the science and technology in the 18th and 19th centuries. So, everyone, based on my reporting, ang mga scientists daw ay nag-ubra ang mga important discoveries sa iba't iba nga mga larawan. So, first is chemistry, physics, and biology. So, ano nga ba ang chemistry? Ang chemistry, ito yung pag-aaral ng mga bagay or matters. Like for example, chemicals at yung mga reaction nila. Ano naman ang biology? Ang biology, yan yung pag-aaral ng mga living organisms. Like for example, tayong mga tao, and then mga animals, and then mga halaman. Living organisms, kumbaga yung mga nabubuhay na nananatili damandan. Then, ano naman ang physics? Ang physics, ito yung, like for example, sa science, di ba sa science, ang physics, ito yung electricity, light, motion, imoran. So, sa tatlo na yan yung mga important discoveries na na-discover tang 18 and 19 centuries. Yan yung tatlong yan yung tatlong nakakatulong sa atin upang mas maunawaan natin ang kalikasan at yung mga electricity like mga living organisms and the earth. Pero bago pang mga imbento like electricity ang mga na-discovers like telephone na-discovers man and then ano pa, X-ray o kaya radioactivity yan din yung mga nagsimula tang 18 and 19th centuries. Yan yung mga nabuo nila. Nakakatulong yan dahil for example, may subject kita nga science kung wala nanda na discover ang mga physics, ang mga biology, geology, walang science. Wala. Kasi hindi natin mauunawaan kung ano nga biology then ano nga physics ang dapat nating malaman. And that's all in my part. I hope na may nuggets ka mo sa akon. Thank you.
Chemistry and biology discoveries. Joseph Priestley discovered oxygen gas in 1774 by collecting colorless gas from heated mercury. This gas was later named oxygen by Antoine Lavoisier. Lavoisier also explained the law of conservation of mass, which states that matter cannot be created or destroyed in chemical reaction. Because of this, he was called the father of modern chemistry. Carolus Linnaeus developed the binomial system of nomenclature, a system of naming organisms using two names, genus and species. This system is still used today.
Physics and technology in the 19th century. The 19th century was a time of great discovery and invention. During this period, scientists studied the laws of nature more deeply, especially in the fields of physics. Their discoveries about electricity and magnetism led to many technological advancements that changed the world. One of the most important developments in the 19th century was the study of electricity. Scientists like Michael Faraday discovered how electricity could create magnetism and how magnetism could produce electricity. This discovery became the foundation of electric generators and motors. Later, James Clerk Maxwell explained the relationship between electricity and magnetism through mathematical equations. His work proved that electricity and magnetism are connected forces now, known as electromagnetism. This understanding helped improve electrical system and communication devices. Because of these discoveries, many inventions were created. The telegraph allowed messages to travel quickly over long distances. The telephone made voice communication possible between people far away. Electric, electric light bulbs replaced candles and oil lamps, making homes and streets brighter and safer. These technologies improved transportation, industry, and communication. Factories use electric machines to increase production. Cities became more modern because of electric lighting and powered equipment. Physics in the 19th century focused on understanding natural forces. When scientists discovered how electricity and magnetism work together, they were able to apply this knowledge to create useful machines. This show how scientific theories can lead to real-life inventions. The advancements of this century laid the foundation for modern technology. Without the discoveries in electromagnetism, we would not have many of the electrical devices we use today, such as computers, phones, and household appliances. In conclusion, the 19th century was a turning point for physics and technology. Scientific discoveries about electricity and magnetism led to important inventions that changed communication, industry, and daily life. This advancement shaped the modern world and continue to influence technology today.
Evolution and genetics theories explain how organisms change over time and how traits are passed from parents to offspring. Before scientists understood how life changed, they had to understand how the earth changed. This provided the deep time necessary to evolution to occur. James Hutton is nagpropose that the gradual mechanisms on Earth explain fossils. Si George Cuvier nagpropose ng theory of catastrophism stating that extinction happened due to natural disasters. Charles Lyell proposed information uniformitarianism, which states that the same geological processes in the past are still operating today. Si Jean-Baptiste Lamarck proposed the theory of acquired characteristics, saying that traits gained by use of disuse can be inherited. Charles Darwin nagpublish on the origin of species and proposed natural selection, stating that organisms evolve over time. Si Alfred Wallach also published a similar research about evolution. Si Gregor Mendel, father of genetics, he discovered how traits are inherited through his experiments on pea plants.
Geology. Geology is the branch of science that study the earth, including its rocks, fossils, landforms, and processes that shape the planet. Theories about the earth, 18th, 19th centuries. These theories explain how the earth formed and changed over time, including ideas about slow natural processes and sudden events that shape the planet.